Welcome to Life After California. This is Mortgage Math with Ash. If you are someone who has invested in real estate in California and sees it for what it definitely can be, a tool in your overall investment portfolio, or if you've invested in other states, especially high cost of living areas where there may have been some serious appreciation over the years, you have some great options if you're looking to expand your portfolio. The appetite for second mortgages on homes is higher than it's been in probably 15 years, in my experience. The home equity line of credit and home equity loan options on your home right now, especially primary residence, is going to give you many options, especially if you're looking to purchase in more landlord-friendly areas, which will tend to be out of state. Now, who is a DSCR loan good for? Traditionally, we see people who just don't want to deal with traditional mortgages. DSCR loan rates for non-owner occupied are pretty comparable to conventional home loans, and they're only going to look at the property at hand. They're not going to look at all of these extra years of taxes or some LLC documents for other properties that you may own, things that you don't want to file taxes on or pay a lot of taxes in. DSCR is going to look at the property as a whole. Debt service coverage ratio loans are going to be fantastic because they will look at the overall income generated from a home, and then they will take into consideration the principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and any applicable HOA dues and divide those. If you're above 75% all the way to 125%, there are so many options. There are many investors who will lend just based on the fact that the property that you're looking at purchasing or refinancing generates income on its own. The other great thing about DSCR loans is that you can hold title in an LLC. So if you are looking at more of those savvy techniques where you're looking at holding an LLC in like a Wyoming or a Nevada or a Delaware, someplace it's going to give you more privacy than like a California where it's just anyone can look you up. There are options to hold title in the LLC to give you whatever protections and privacy that you're personally looking for. Obviously, speak to an attorney to structure it properly and to make your decisions. But the LLC is a great opportunity that is not necessarily available on a regular conventional home loan. The perk about DSCR loans is that their time frame is just the same as a regular mortgage in most cases, unless you've got something crazy that comes up. And there's no crazy waiting periods. So while it's not the exact same thing as cash, it is an option. Or if you are looking to purchase a property in cash, you can do that and then you can refinance immediately into a DSCR loan as well to get that cash back and to purchase other properties. So because you have the line of credit options to take cash out of existing properties, or if you've got some savings, the way that Bitcoin has gone, until the last couple of months, the way the market has gone over the last few years, we've seen just tremendous growth. So if you've got cash sitting there and you don't know what to do with it, purchasing a home out of state as an investment property in a landlord-friendly area using a DSCR loan is a pretty easy, in the grand scheme of things, opportunity to expand your investment portfolio. The other nice thing about DSCR loans is they are a business purpose loan, so you can work with the same loan officer in pretty much 40-ish states. Even though I'm licensed in several states, the DSCR loan allows me to originate a business purpose loan without being licensed fully, and it just allows me to keep all the documentation, all the paperwork, and streamline as you're getting that second, third, fourth property, that fourth, fifth, sixth door, however you're looking at it. Obviously, duplexes are great, triplexes are great, fourplexes are great. When you're looking in that 1 to 5 unit area, the DSCR loan, that cash flow is amazing. It, of course, works for single family homes in a lot of areas. The math has to work out, and obviously you're not going to want to purchase a home that has a completely negative cash flow with no end in sight. But because there are so many options, because there's so many different properties this works for, it's a conversation that you should have with your loan officer that you know and like and trust. If you have any questions at all, you can totally leave them down below. You can click subscribe, and I'll leave in the description all the places you can find me: Mortgage Math with Ash, AshleyWillardMortgage.com, or you can find me online on Facebook as well, Ashley Willard Home Loans. Look forward to speaking with you and answering any questions that you have.